Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of objective type examinations, especially JEE Mains and MSET, with amazing super tips and tricks regarding the maths. In objective type of examinations, time is important. To get the best and better rank, you have to focus the more number of questions within short time. That is only possible if you know the shortcut methods. That is all I'm going to teach in my videos. So I uploaded more and more videos. If you not yet watched my previous videos, please watch them. Those links are there in below description. And also some links can be opened by click the I button on the top corner of every video. So those are very, very helpful to you. Is it clear? So if you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe at the same time. Click the bell notification, then every video notified to you for your better progress. Those are very, very helpful to you. Without missing, you can watch it, right? So what may be subscribed one and all, each and all, thank you very much for your love and support. Please keep it up, right? And you can share the videos, and you can put your valuable comments in the comment section. Whatever may be your requirement, also you can put a comment. Definitely, most probably, I will fulfill your requirement as early as possible, right? So in today's session, I'm going to teach one of the quite interesting and very, very important topic, that too vectors. Additions of vectors is very, very important in the case of MSET point of view. So there are the two major topics in vectors: additions of vectors as well as product of vectors. First, I will discuss about the additions of vectors, which are given in 2019 with amazing super tips and tricks. We can crack within short time those courses. How it is, look at one by one. Are you ready? Without delay, let's just start, right? Look at this question. What is given first sentence? Let PVs means position vectors of 2 points A and B. This is a position vector of BA and this is position vector of B respectively. Means what? First vector is position vector of A point and second vector is position vector of B point. If P and Q divides AB in the AB line joining the ratio 1:3 internally, externally respectively. Means what is given simply? AB 2 points are given like this. A is one of the point, B is another point. Whose position vectors mean generally you can take the O is initial point. I am not writing the O here because here we need the time saving. So most probably how to avoid the steps. So AB 2 points are given and A is what? A plus B plus C, B is A minus 2B plus 3C. And P is divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally, P point, and Q point divides AB, same line join the AB, external in the same ratio 1:3. So we can find out PQ points and also AB points already there. You can collect the relation between the 3 mod AB to mod PQ, maybe 4 times, 3 times, 1/2 times and so on. Means indirectly we want what first? PQ points. Already I used those points in 3-dimensional as well as vectors also. If you not yet watched previous videos, please watch it. So a point divides in vectors case. A point P divides in the ratio 1:3. This is suppose A, this is B. Internally we can take P point as 1 into B. 1 into B is a B plus 3 into A, 3A by 1 plus 3, 4. We can write like this. M into B plus N into A by M plus N internally case. In place of Mn, there are the 1:3. Same way, Q is reverse external means what? In middle, in case of plus, we can use a minus. Means 1 into B minus 3 into A by 1 minus 3. That is externally. That is short form you have to use here. Now we can find out the P point. B plus 3A. B is what here? B is A minus 2B plus 3C with plus 3A. 3 into A means what? 3A plus 3B plus 3C. 3B plus 3C by 1 plus 3 is a 4. We can simplify it. 1 plus 3, 4A minus 2B plus 3 minus 2B plus 3B is a plus B and 3C plus 3C 6C by 4. This is a P point. And now we have to get the Q point. Q divides AB in the ratio, same ratio 1:3. External. External means we can use 1 into B minus 3 into A by 1 minus 3. That is Q point. That is 1 into B, B minus 3 into A, 3A by 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. You know, B minus A. B minus 3A by minus 2 we can write by taking the minus is multiplication in numerator. This is 3A minus B by 2. Okay, we can take the simplification in any manner, not only like this. Maybe you can use a minus 2 also as this. 3A minus B. 3A means what? 3A plus 3B plus 3C. That is 3A plus 3B plus 3C with minus B. Minus 2A. Minus B means minus A. Minus or minus plus 2B minus 3C by 2. Right? So we can understand now 3A minus A is 2A. And 3B plus 2B is a 5B plus 3C minus 3C gets cancelled by 2. This is a Q. P point you know, Q point you know. We want the mod AB related to mod PQ. Mod AB I am collecting first. Mod AB means what? Mod of B minus A. So B minus A subtracted, A minus A cancel, minus 2B minus B minus 3B. Right. 3C minus C is plus 2C by plus 2C. This is a 3B minus 3B plus 2C. By taking the minus is common here. Mod 3B minus 2C. This is a AB. Now we can collect the PQ. Mod PQ means mod Q minus P. All these points I explained in previous videos. If you not yet watched, please watch that. Then only can follow this is. What is a position vector? How can you take the line joining the 2 points, etc. discussed in previous videos, right? This is that application only you are using in previous MSET questions, right? Q minus P. This is a 2A plus 5B. 2A plus 5B by 2 with minus Q. Q minus P is minus of 4A plus B plus 6C by 4. Right. Now can take the LCM here. What is LCM here? 4 is LCM. Here 2 is there already. 2 into 2, 4A. This 4A minus 4A gets cancelled. And next 2 into 5, 10B minus B. 10B minus B is 9B. Right? And constant C point minus 6C by 4. From this shall I take the 3 is common? Under modulus you can keep it. By taking 3 is common, 3 by 4 of mod B minus mod 3B minus 2C, right? You know mod PQ is equal 3 by 4 of mod 3B minus 2C. What is our 3B minus 2C under modulus is mod AB. Means what you can get the relation now? PQ is equals mod PQ is equals to 3 by 4 times of, in place of this is we can write AB, mod AB. So take the cross multiplication. 4 mod PQ is equals to 3 times of mod AB. Okay, what we want? 3 times of mod AB is equals to 4 times of mod PQ. That is clearly first option. It's very simple, just you have to use a ratio concept. Look at the next question. What is given here? If the position vectors of A, B, C, D given by 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 4 points A, B, C, D. Position vectors are given as like this. Respectively means what according to the letters we have to take the first point, second point like that. Are such that what is the relation between them is given? Mod AC is equals to mod BD. Then we can collect the 16 of 3A minus 1 whole square. How we so easy I am doing here. So there are the 4 points like this. Actually in the examination is given that 1, 2, 3 are like I plus 2J plus 3K. You know there is a linear combination of IJK. That is called as linear combination of IJK. Simply we can write order triad, easy purpose. So easiness way we can take the I plus 2J plus 3K as 1, 2, 3. Like similarly next also given like that only. So we can take these are the as a order triad. Then it's becomes so easy. So now what is we have to use? Mod AC is equals to mod BD. Means what you have to use the distance between the AC and BD are equal. From that we can find out this value easily. Mod AC is equals to mod BD. Take the squaring on both sides. What happened? AC square is equals to BD square. You know, I said to you vectors is a three-dimensional geometry. We can use a 3D concept. AC means what? Distance between the A to C with the square means distance between these 2 points. A, this is taken as A. This is taken as A, B, C, D. Okay, we can take distance between the AC whole square. That means, you know, A to C. This is the 7 by 4 minus 1. 7 by 4 minus 1 whole square. According to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, like that. 15 by 4 minus 2 whole square. 15 by 4 minus 2 whole square plus 15 by 4 minus 3 whole square. This is our AC square. AC square is equals to BD square. B to D distance between these two. That is 7 by 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 1 minus plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 2a, 5 plus 2a by 3 with minus 2 whole square, right? Now we can take the simplification like this. LCM is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16, plus here LCM is 4, 4 2 is 8, 15 minus 8 is 7, 7 by 4 whole square is 49 by 16, right? Plus 4 3 is 12, 15 minus 12 is 3, 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16, this is left side. Right side we can concentrate. LCM is 3, 3 2 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 plus 3 is LCM. 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 whole square is 25 by 9. Now this is LCM taking 5 plus 2a minus 3 to 6 by 3 whole square, right? Now we can understand the left side. 9 plus 49 plus 9 how much? 9 9 3 9 is 27 7 2. 2 plus 4, 6, 67 by 16 is left side. Right side we can concentrate. 1 plus 25 is 26 by 9. Plus here 2a, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. This is a 2a minus 1 whole square. We want 3a minus 1. Is it 3? 5 plus 2a. I think 5 plus 3a this is. This is 5 plus 3a. Right? Point is 5 plus 3a. Therefore, this is a 3a minus 1 whole square. 3a minus 1 whole square by denominator 3 square is 9. Right? We can take the simplification simply. 67 by 16 minus 26 by 9 is equals to 3a minus 1 whole square by 9. LCM here by taking the LCM and take the calculation. 9 67s, 9 7s 63 3 6, 9 6 54 plus 6 54 plus 6 60, 60 minus 16 26, 26 16s. LCM I am taking 6 6 36 6 3, 6 2s 12 3 15, 6 2. Therefore, this is 6 11 1 4 1 6, 4 1 6 by 16 into 9 we can write as it is. Here 3a minus 1 whole square by 9. In 9 1 9 9 cancel. So by taking the cross multiplication 16 times of 3a minus 1 whole square we want, that is only 16 times of 3a minus 1 whole square is equals to, what is the difference of this is? 13 minus 6 is 7, right? And 10 minus is equal to 10 minus 1 is 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, 187. What is 16 of 3a minus 1 whole square is 187. That is clearly fourth option. It's so easy. Just you have to concentrate on the distance between the 2 points. Is it clear? Look at these 2 questions. So simple way I am doing this. How it is? Look at here. First question number 3. If A, B, C are 3 mutually perpendicular unit vectors in the right-handed system, A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 mutually perpendicular vectors in the right-handed system, means indirectly A bar, B bar, C bar are I bar, J bar, K bar. That two perpendicular unit vectors means along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis as ijk. Ijk are along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Then the ijk are called as mutually perpendicular unit vectors. In right-handed system is same sequence like ABC, BCA, CAB. That is meaning of right-handed system, nothing to worry. Indirectly given that here A, B, C are IJKs, right? Next, if the points PQR are the position vectors given like this, PQR whose position vectors are given like this, 1, 2, 3, 3 points position vectors are given. Indirectly in place of ABC you can think IJK, lie on a line. All these 3 points PQR lie on a line. Then we can find out P divides QR in the ratio. Then P divides QR in the ratio. Means what? P divides QR in the ratio when PQR lie on a same line. Just I am concentrating like this. These points I am taking as P is a 2, 5, minus 4. You know that clearly ABC or IJ case means what? We can take an order trial like this. P, Q, that is a 1, 4, minus 3. And R is a K, 7, minus 6. What we want? P divides QR in the ratio. Just only one step, required ratio. Seconds like this. S 1:2, that's it. So this is our required option. So simply for this what I used, already I discussed all this in 3-dimensional geometry. To find out ratio of some point divides a line joining some other 2 points, we can think this is some x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, xy, z. This is x2, y2, z2. Okay, required ratio we can use either minus of x minus x1 by x minus x2. X minus x1 means 2 minus 1 by x minus x2 means there is a k. So don't want the finding k here. Just without using the k we can find out this ratio. We can use our ratio is in the form of required ratio in the form of either x minus x1 by x minus x2 with minus of maybe minus of y minus y1 by y minus y2. Maybe z minus z1 by z minus z2 we can use. Okay, that point only we are using here. Here x2 point we don't know, that's why I am using this point minus of y minus y1 by y minus y2. We can use a minus of z minus z1 by z minus z2 also. No need to worry about this k here. That is all I used. I used this minus of y minus y1 by y minus. It is one of the short tip. Already I explained in previous videos. Y minus y1 means what? 5 minus y minus y1. 5 y is 5 minus y1 is 4. 5 minus 4 by y minus y2, that is a 5 minus 7 with the minus of, that is 5 minus 4 is 1 by 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 1 by minus 2 means what? 1 by 2, in the sense 1:2. We have to remember this short tip. We can use a z also, but don't use x here because of you don't know the k is what. For finding the k also you have to spend the time, no need to spend here, just you can avoid that one, right? Now can come to the next question. If ABC are 3 non-collinear points and this is be a point in the plane passing through ABC, means what? ABC, on this ABC plane there is this point. Now we can find out that k value. Just you can consider here, given to you equations of lines and planes in vector equations of lines and planes. Already I did the vectors chapter, additions of vectors, you can watch it. Okay, vector equation line passing through these 3 points we can find out first. Vector equation of plane, not line, vector equation of plane through ABC is R bar is equals 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. What this is? 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar is R bar, that is vector equation of plane passing through ABC. The point, this point is lies on this one. This point, what is the given point? KA. This is the lies on this means what? In place of general vector R bar we can replace it. Okay, then this becomes KA plus 2B plus 3C is equals to 1 minus S minus T A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. In case of the ABC, all indirectly all these are the coplanar vectors. In case of coplanar vectors like this linear combination is there, simply you can take sum of the coefficients of left side is equal to sum of the coefficients of coefficients is right side. Both should be equal. That point also explained in the previous video. This is in this linear combination all are lying in the same plane means what? Coplanar. In that coplanar case, sum of the coefficients of vectors of left side is equal to sum of the coefficients of the vectors in right side. What is sum of its coefficient? K plus 2 plus 3 is a 5 is equals to right side 1 minus s minus t plus s plus t. Minus s plus s minus t plus t gets cancelled, it is a 1. Therefore, k is equals to minus 4. That's it. Simple way you can do it without complicating. So, k is equal to minus 4. Which option? It is a fourth option. Right? Look at this question. What is given if 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given respectively position vectors of coplanar points P, Q, R, S. Then lambda. P, Q, R, S position vectors are given like this. Then they are given as coplanar vectors. Then finding the lambda. Just you know what is the condition for coplanarity already I given to you. You can take this is the P, Q, R, S. Just coplanarity condition. This tip already you know well. Coplanarity condition. That of. We can start PQ, PR, PS. PQ means Q minus P as a first row. Minus 1, 3 minus a minus 2 plus 5, minus 4 minus a plus 1 is minus 3. Next second row, we can take the PR means difference of R and Q as a second row. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus a minus 2 plus 2. That is 1 plus 2, 3, 2 minus a minus plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Next, PS means what? S minus P, that is 4 minus 3 is a 1, 5 minus a minus plus 2, 5 plus 2 is a 7, lambda minus a minus plus 1, lambda plus 1 is a 0. This is a condition that the 4 points P, Q, R, S are coplanar, that's it. By expansion of this is, we can find out lambda value. Now we can expand the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix with minus 1 now. 3 lambda plus 3 with minus 21. With the middle one we can take the sign changing minus 5. For 5 we have to use these two. Changing minus 5, this is minus 4 of lambda plus 1 is minus 4 lambda minus 4, right? Minus 4 lambda minus 4 with minus 3 here. Plus here minus sign is there, minus 3 off. We can concentrate on this. 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. And 1 into 3, 3 with minus 3 is equals to 0. By the simplification this is minus 3 lambda. 3 minus 21 is minus 18. Minus a minus plus 18. Here 5 into 4, 20 lambda. Okay, this is minus 3 lambda. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 minus 5 is into minus 5 into minus 7 is plus 35. Yet minus 21 minus 3 minus 31. Minus 31 into minus 3 is a plus 3 ones 3, 3 3s 9. 93 is equals to 0. Now next step. Minus 3 plus 20 is 17 lambda. Now addition of these 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1. We can get the 146 is equals to 0. From this 17 lambda is equals to minus 146, lambda is a minus 146 by 17. Very simple question. Just you have to use a determinant concept for coplanarity condition, right? Look at this question. If the points 1, 2, 3, 4 are coplanar, like fifth question what I did. Same model given that in place of the elements A, B, C combination is given and also given that those are coplanar vectors. In this there is some unknown value lambda is there, we can find out that is first, just like previous question. In previous question just he asked the lambda, but here what he asked, then the direction cosines of this vector. In this vector there is a lambda, after finding the lambda what you have to do, then we can concentrate. First I will find out the lambda. What is the condition that 4 points that of, you know, there are the linear combination of ABC. We can use a box ABC extra. No need to worry about this one. It's quotients that we can concentrate. Like same, this is taken as A, B, C, D, maybe P, Q, R, S, whatever maybe you can use the letters. Okay, now A, B you can take B minus A as first row. 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus or minus plus 1, 4, right. Next AC, 3 minus 2, 1, lambda minus 3, right, and minus 2 minus or plus 1 is minus 1. Next D, C, A minus means what, 1 minus 2 minus 1, and minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 6 minus or minus plus 1, 7. E is a 0, you can take immediately. No need to worry about this is ABC is not coplanar. That's why this is not equal 0. We can equate this, that is 0. Now expansion of this determinant. This is the delta expansion is here. Minus 1 into 7 lambda minus 21. 7 3s minus 9. Minus 9 with the minus or minus plus 5 of 7 1 7 with the minus 1. 7 with the minus 1 plus 4 of 7 1 into minus 9 minus 9 minus 1 into lambda minus 3 minus or minus plus lambda minus 3. Okay, you know, middle we can use a minus sign. Minus or minus plus 1 into lambda minus 3 is lambda minus 3 is equals to 0. Now this is a 7 lambda with minuses, minus 7 lambda minus 21 minus 9 minus 30 minus or minus plus 30. You know, minimize the steps. Calculation you can speed up. 7 minus 1 is 6, 5 6 30, right. Then 4 into lambda, 4 lambda. Then minus 9 minus 3 minus 12, 12 4s 48 minus 48 is equals to 0, right. From this you can find out lambda. Minus 3 plus 4 is minus 3 lambda. You know, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 minus 48 is 12 is equals to 0. Therefore 3 lambda is a 12, lambda is a 4. We got the lambda value is 4. Now we can consider on this next sentence. On this next sentence, what is asking? Then the diyars of direction cosines of this vector is asking. First, what is this vector becomes, we can write. Substitute lambda is equal to 4 in this one. 2i, 4 sorry, lambda is 4, 4i. 4i minus 2 4s 8j plus k. So we can understand that this is a 4i minus 8j plus k, we can add 4 minus 8 plus 1. These are called as diyars of this vector, or what are that called? Coordinates of this vector. To find out its DCs, we can divide by root over 16 plus means root over 4 square plus 8 square plus 1. We have to take the division. What is the modulus of 4i minus 8j plus k? That is root over 16, 4 square 16 plus minus 8 whole square 64 plus 1. This is clearly root over 64, 70 as 81. You know, here this is 80 plus 81. Okay, 81 root 81 is 9. But what are this is? This is we want. That is 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9 and 1 by 9. How can you find out the DCs from the DRs? You know very well, that is on a used here. That is what is our required result? 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9, 1 by 9. Actually, my 4 minus 8 is 4 minus 8, 1 is there in only one option. No need to worry about this part also. Actually, there is no repetition. We can pick up directly this option. But why I explain here, you have to know how can you find out the DCs of a vector, right? Look at this question. What is given? If OA is one of the vector, OB is another vector, means what? A position vector is 2 2 1, B position vector is 2 4 4 is given, and the length of internal bisector of angle BOA of triangle AOB. So there is a triangle AOB like this. This is a AOB is a triangle. We need the internal bisector of angle BOA, means we want, is given already. Then the length of interangular bisector of triangle AOB is given as K. Angular bisector length is given. Suppose if you draw line like this line, this is called as angular bisector of BOA meets the BC at point some C. And this is OC length is given as K. Now we have to find out 9K square. This concept also I explained in previous videos. I did the questions, internal bisectors, how can you find out the external bisectors lengths. That is all I am using. Once again I am explaining here. Simply the angle BOA bisector the BC at C, angular bisector, BOA that is OC meets BA at C. We can understand that the C points divides BA in the ratio OB is to OA. OB is to OA. This is a major point here. What is the ratio? C divides BA in the ratio OB is to OA internally in case of internal angular bisector. Means what indirectly the ratio OB is to OA we can find out means distance of OB and OA. Now what is the OA OB distance? What is C divides? C divides BA in the ratio OB is to OA. OB means what? Distance from O to B point, that is root over OE 0 0 0 only. 4 minus 2 minus 0, 2 square is 4 plus 4 minus 0, 4 square is 16 plus 4 square is 16. This is the OB in is to root over OA means square of this is 4 plus 1, right? You know that clearly 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, 36. Root 36 is 6 is to right side. 4 plus 1 is 9. Root 9 is 3. Again we can minimize it. 3 2's, 3 ones. Therefore the required the ratio C divides BA is a 2 is to 1. Now we want the C point first. If you know the C point, we can find out OC distance, that is only given as K. Now C point, shall I? Yes, just now I given to you. 2 is to 1 means 2 into, this is 2 is to 1. 2 into A plus 1 into B by 2 plus 1. Internal bisector is given. This is internal bisector. For internal bisector, we can use a plus sign. For external bisectors, we can use a minus sign. So this is 2 into A to A plus 1 into B by 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? What is the 2A plus 3B result? 2A, that is our 4, 2 plus B. What is the B here? 2, 4 by 3. You know 4 plus 2, 6, comma 4 plus 4, 8, comma 2 plus 4, 6 by 3. This is we can write 2, comma 8 by 3, comma 2. Okay, this is C point. Given K is what? K is indirectly K here. This length of the internal bisector OC distance. That is K is equals to OC. Means distance between the O to C. C point already we got it. That is root over 2 minus 0 whole square is 4 plus 8 by 3 minus 0 whole square is 64 by 9 plus 2 minus 0 whole square is also 4. This is root over LCM is a 9. You know 4 plus 9, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is 9, 72. 72 plus 64. This is root over 72 plus 64 is 136 by 9. Take the squaring on both sides. Therefore, K square is equals to 136 by 9. Take the cross multiplication. That is 9K square is 136. We want 9K square. What is the 9K square we got? 9K square is 136. It is clearly second option. Is it clear? So simple. Just you have to concentrate what is a internal bisector length. How can you find out? I already explained all those points in previous videos of vectors. You can watch it. Definitely you can follow this also. These are the various questions what I did in today's session. Those are what? Previous MCET of the year 2019 on the topic additions of vectors. From both TS and AP states questions I did, what are maybe I available. Okay, I think so I followed it very well. Okay, if you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I conclude this video here. I come with another topic in next video. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.